Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with our YFMT SAT math course preview. Here we are on Unit 15, lines, angles, triangles, and trigonometry. So we got a little bit of trigonometry here. So in the above, length BC is 15, and the value of cosine of BAC is 0.8. What is the length of BD? All right, so I think this problem has a little bit of a shortcut. So one thing we have to know is whenever you have three right triangles like kind of inside of each other here, we got the little one, then like a medium one, and then the big one, they're always going to be similar to each other. And so similar triangles have all the same angles. So a lot of times with the trig problems, they're giving us the cosine of BAC, but I don't have information about like this triangle here. I don't know any of the sides. And if I look at the big triangle, I have the opposite, but not the hypotenuse and not the adjacent. And remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what I want to do is take and figure out which one of these angles in this little triangle is the same as this angle. And then I know the cosine of that angle is also 0.8. So the key is, in this big triangle, we have this angle and then this other angle, okay? So they're clearly different. And then we have the right angle. Now if I go to this triangle, this other angle is also part of that little triangle. So then this angle here has to be the same as this, because again, this is the right angle. So this angle and this angle are the same. So that means the cosine of this angle is 0.8. And if the cosine of that angle is 0.8, that's the adjacent side, so we'll call that x, over the hypotenuse. And notice they're looking for BD. So all we have to do is the adjacent over the hypotenuse of that triangle has to just equal 0.8. And so the answer becomes just 15 times 0.8, which is 12. All right, so you don't actually use this angle. You figure out which angle is the same over here, and it turns it into a much easier problem. All right? Hope that helped.